Can you get a pumpkin?
I think. See, I got one hand on it. I got this one.
Here, I'll get on the rope and I get the plank. I will use the door up here.
You did a good job carrying that, Mom.
Those things are heavy.
Let's see, you know what? I think I'm gonna put the orange one here. Clyde loves fall. He won't look, he wants to eat my wreath. He thinks this was food. There's a little bit of a black line right there so you can see where it's centered.
Yeah. Love this. Oh, no,
A little higher.
higher, yeah. No, it's all right.
There you go.
Easy supper tonight, y'all. Tacos or taco salad. We're just gonna cook up this ground beef. I've got some different toppings. We'll be eating in about 15 minutes. Okay, I got the kitchen cleaned up from supper. I made some coffee. Everybody else is outside, so I'm gonna take some coffee out there for me and Titus. And for the kids, I'm gonna make some little yogurt cups for dessert. I've got these iced oatmeal cookies. I actually ordered the Tate's crispy pumpkin cookies. They didn't have those, so they substituted these. We have honey vanilla Greek yogurt, and I've got these little party cups. So we're just gonna crumble up some cookie and put on the bottom, and then put some yogurt, and then put cookie on top. I thought it would be really good with the pumpkin cookie. And I also had these little pumpkins, and I was gonna put one on top. They didn't have the pumpkin ones, so we have oatmeal cookie yogurt cups. So I'll just take some of the cookie and we'll crumble it down in the bottom for like a little cookie. I thought about doing pumpkin cheesecake actually. I was gonna just take some cream, you know how I do the no-bake cheesecake things. I was gonna do that and add a little pumpkin to it and a little pumpkin spice. But the kids love this honey vanilla Greek yogurt, so I just decided to go with this. It's always so quiet in here after supper. The kids help me get the table and all straightened up, and then they all head outside. Now I'll just take the cookie and we'll put a few little crumbles on the top. One cookie is enough for 3 of the little cups here. There we go, fun little dessert. Now I'll still go ahead and put a pumpkin even though it's not the pumpkin cookies. There we go. That's a really quick and easy little fall treat right there. Pumpkin patch yogurt parfaits, that's what we'll call them. Try to get the pumpkin cookie though, that would be better. Or even a ginger snap cookie would be good too. And I think I have, yep, I've got just enough of the little pumpkin spoons. I'll just take the coffee, we'll go ahead and press it, and I'll just take it down here. I don't know how much cream Titus wants, so I'll just take the cream. I'll go ahead and put mine in. I almost forgot, Titus wanted these other little peanut butter balls in here. There are only 2, well, 1.5. There we go.
I ran really quick, and dust was flying at Tyler's face.
You was kicking up that much dust? We don't know how you do it.
Tyler lets them try to catch them.
Yeah, it's an
Tyler,
upgraded
I'm
version
getting sleepy,
of
y'all.
Tag.
Does anybody ever catch him?
I mean, I've catched him one time.
I got this pillow, everything from Walmart actually, but this pillow, it was like I think it was 4 something or maybe 5 something for the pillow. That little blanket, I like it because it has like the Aztec design.
Yeah, it looks
It was
Western.
it was like $4 or $5. And these fall
works good.
little battery operated lights came from, they called them fall, I guess, just because the string is brown, you know.
Yeah.
But batteries were not included, so.
Well, what do you know? Scooterbite's wondering who this guy is right here, y'all.
I think it's Daddy.
He didn't know me at first. That's way back in the day. My daddy videoed that years ago. That's where we worked at in Texas.
Cows are there.
90,000. That's where I worked at in Texas, but I was hauling cattle right there. That's when I hauled cattle from North Georgia out to Texas, and then we moved out there. So, but Manley didn't know me.
Why is there a phone in there, though?
That ain't a phone, that's a CB.
He was born after the trucking days. The kids were watching old Christmas videos last night. No, Thanksgiving. Y'all were watching Thanksgiving, weren't you, Cece? And then after that, we watched some Christmas ones. Thanksgiving will be here before we know it, but I'm cherishing these last few days of it not getting dark until 8 o'clock. I told the kids when we were watching those videos, and I was like, I think I was cooking supper and it was already dark outside. I was like, I'm not looking forward to that.
We're going old school bacon on you. We've been doing this air fryer thing, but this morning we're going back with this deal. What I'm about to do right now, bring people out of that sleep mode. Oh, I love the smell of bacon. I'll go ahead and get this pepper prepared here. I love some onion in the morning time. There she comes, everybody.
He woke me up this morning acting like it was 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. And so I get up and I'm in
didn't tell
there.
you it was 4 or 5.
You made a lot of talk like it was 4 or 5 o'clock.
I did not say it was 4
Yeah,
or 5.
You know, with the way you were talking, you was making it seem as though it was 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning.
I got her up a
It
little
was
earlier.
probably 2:20 or something.
I actually woke up at 2.
I'm going back to sleep in just a minute.
Folks, when I wake up, I wake up. I have to get up early.
Started speaking to me,
Fallon really likes to get up
causing
around.
me to believe it was 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, her time is really around 5:30 to
5:30 to
6.
6, yeah.
That's her time. And my time, it can be anywhere from 2 to 6.
Yeah.
Scramble them eggs. Doing a scrambled situation here. Add our onions and peppers back in. And we got a scrambled Western omelet. Let it sit there for just a minute. That was good. Right when it was getting close, I could just